In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide likes on your Facebook business page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to hide the number of reactions on both your own posts and the posts you see from others, so you can keep your focus on content rather than on like counts. First, open Facebook in your web browser and go to your business page. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages this page. If you manage multiple pages, double check that you've selected the correct one, so any changes you make apply to the right page. Once you're on your business page, look for the settings option. Depending on the current Facebook layout, this is usually found on the left-hand side menu or under a More or Manage drop-down near the top. Click on Settings to open up the configuration area for your page. This is where Facebook keeps most of the controls for privacy, page info, and preferences, including reactions. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of different sections. Here, you want to locate and click on Reaction Preferences. This area controls how you see reaction counts on Facebook and how others see them on your content. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling down the menu or looking under the Privacy or Preferences section, as Facebook occasionally moves things around with updates. Once you're in Reaction Preferences, you'll see options related to hiding reaction counts. The first important setting is the toggle that says something like Hide number of reactions on other people's posts and reels. Turn this toggle on. When this is enabled, you'll no longer see the total number of likes and other reactions on posts from other accounts in your feed. This can be helpful if you want a cleaner, less distracting experience while you browse, and want to focus on the content itself rather than popularity metrics. Next, find the second toggle that says Hide number of reactions on your posts and reels. Turn this one on as well. With this setting enabled, other people won't see the total reaction count on the posts and reels you publish. They can still like and react, and you can still view your insights and analytics in the professional dashboard. But the public-like numbers will no longer be displayed on the surface of your posts. And that's it. You've adjusted your reaction preferences so likes are hidden according to your choices. Remember, you can return to the settings page at any time to turn these options on or off if your preferences change in the future.